Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Beast of Reincarnation game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Beast of Incarnation game. This is just an example. So right click on Beast of Incarnation game and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab and from the drop down here first select enable Steam input and then relaunch the game because changing requires restart of the game, and after relaunching the game check if your controller is working or not. If not, then again go to the Beast of Reincarnation game properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then relaunch the game again and check. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Beast of Reincarnation game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. If still your problem is not solved, then you can also restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Or you can also disconnect your controller and then connect your controller and then check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Beast of Reincarnation game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.